Christmas tree ornaments, Christmas sweaters, dogs dressed in Santa hats, scarves, and sweaters, Santa Claus, gingerbread houses.
This is a sleigh.
This is a wreath.
This is a poinsettia.
These are ornaments.
This is a bow.
Merry Christmas!
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you, too.
Happy holidays.
Thank you. Same to you.
Season's greetings.
Season's greetings. How is your holiday season going?
Holly is a plant. Holy means sacred or religious. Reindeer. Reindeer is used in both the singular and plural forms. 1 reindeer, 8 reindeer.
Christmas tree, Christmas elf, Christmas ornaments, candy cane, gingerbread man,
Wrapping paper. Ribbon. Bow. Scissors. Tape. Gift bag. Gift card.
When do you want to meet?
Let's meet on Christmas Eve.
Okay, see you then.
We are having a Christmas party. Can you come?
I am sorry, I cannot come.
That's okay. Thank you.
Do you want to come to Christmas dinner?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
It is at 6 o'clock. Sleigh. Inflatable Santa. Reindeer. Wreath. Christmas lights. Santa hat. Full of holiday spirit means showing a cheerful, generous, and festive attitude during the holiday season. The sisters were full of holiday spirit as they baked cookies together. Deck the halls means to decorate your house for Christmas. Let's deck the halls and celebrate the joy of Christmas.
Christmas tree ornaments, Christmas tree skirt, Christmas tree lights, Christmas gifts or Christmas presents, tinsel, Christmas tree garlands, Christmas tree star topper, angel ornament,
Candles. Snow globe. Mistletoe. Stockings. Poinsettias. Yule log. Pumpkin pie. Fruitcake. Christmas cookies. Candy canes. Gingerbread cookies. Fudge. Pecan pie.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
The decorations look so nice.
Thank you for the Christmas card. You're welcome. It is so nice.
This pie is so good.
Thank you. I made it.
It is my favorite.
Funny. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Merry Christmas. Classic. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Classic. Wishing you peace, love, and laughter in the new year. Casual. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a new year filled with great vibes, good people, and good times. Wishing you happy holidays and a wonderful new year.